We all prepare a bucket list for adventurous trips. Things we want to do in our lives and get full golden memories from it. But there are some places you would love to visit in daytime but not at night. In this video, you will get to know about 5 such places where you don't want to stay at night. Three Kings Church. The village was ruled by 3 Portuguese kings back in that time. However, each of them was jealous of the other and wanted to become the sole ruler of the village. When things started to get out of their hands, they decided to discuss and resolve the matter once and for all. One of the 3 kings invited other 2 in his home for the dinner and offered them to solve the issue. But he had an evil plan of poisoning their food. The 2 kings died as soon as they had their meals. The king now thought he would rule the entire village alone. But soon the news of their death spread and the villagers got to know what really happened. The king was now scared that he will get lynched by the public, and so he too decided to have that poison and commit suicide. When the villagers arrived, they found the bodies of 3 kings. They decided to bury all 3 of them together in the church itself. It is believed that the spirits of these 3 kings haunt the church even today. It is believed something supernatural surrounds the church, especially at night. Dumas Beach, Gujarat. It is said that Dumas Beach was once used as Hindu burial ground and hence is possessed by several haunting spirits that never left the region. Folklore explains that the existence of black sand is because of the amount of ash created by burning the dead bodies, which got mixed with the white sand of the beach and turned dark in shade. The Dumas Beach in Gujarat is a haunted cremation site where many locals have complained to heard weird voices. Especially at night, people have heard strange whispers warning around this beach. It is believed that this Hindu crematorium is lurking full with spirits of dead people. Doe Hill, West Bengal. Here in the woods of Doe Hills, where numerous unnatural deaths seem to have taken place in the past, is where the 100-year-old Victoria Boys School is situated, which are pervaded by the dark vibes of haunted forest. It is believed to be the residence of many spirits whose footsteps can be heard echoing in the place. There have been countless murdered bodies found in the woods surrounding the school, and several locals and tourists report being followed by the headless boy, who then disappears in the wood. As the sun sets, one can feel smoke in the air at the forest. Kuldhara village, Rajasthan. Kuldhara is known as the ghost village of Rajasthan. This unique, mischievous place had a sad story. It is said that Salim Singh, the Diwan of region, imposed huge taxes because of which it became extremely difficult for Palivas to survive in the village. Also, he had his eyes on one of the girls from their community and warned the villagers to fulfill his desire. If not, they have to face the consequences. Due to this, Palivas, along with people of 84 other villages, left Kuldhara to save their dignity and honor. This disheartened people cursed that no one will ever be able to live here. Until now, no one has resided on this place. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. Located in Alwar region, Bhangar, where you can visit in day, but as soon as sun sets, no one is allowed to stay there at night. One of the most haunted places. It is considered one of the most haunted places in India. To be so dangerous that even the Archaeology Survey of India has legally prohibited anyone from entering the Bhangar Fort after sunset. In 16th century, a tantric fell in love with Rani Ratnavati, the beautiful princess of Bhangar. After knowing it was impossible, he decided to use black magic on her. However, the princess got to know about his plans and punished him to death. Before his death, he cursed the fort and residents that the place will get demolished in one night and their spirit will always be in the fort. Nearby locals believe that anyone who goes into the fort after sunset never returns back. These are the 5 places in India where you don't want to stay at night. Did you like the video? Do you agree with these places? If yes or no, share your comments below.